Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome back mga karaket to another Rocket Sir content. This is Chris and this is the Rocket Core channel. Ayan, so wait lang, di pa naka-on yung mic ko. Okay. Okay, ayan. Okay, I think much better, diba? So hindi ko na ulitin yung intro. So yun guys. Kanina, 3 AM yata yun, nung nag-open tayo ng OP15 ng mga packs. And then, dalawa lang nakuha natin. Dito pa siya. Si Nami and si Zoro. Ito. Yung dalawang cards na yun. Diba? So, right now, it's already 10 AM in the morning. And, nakapag-toothbrush naman na tayo. So, let's go na. Before ako mag-start ng work ko. And actually, ang work ko is later pa naman, mga 2 o'clock pa. So, let's try again to open another box or OP13 na box for our next content, di ba? So, ngayon, let's open the remaining na 12 packs na lang muna. So, sabi nila, we can get 4 na rare cards or SR cards sa isang buong pack or at least 5, sabi nila, ganon. Okay? So, yun. Let's start our day by opening the 12 remaining packs of One Piece trading card OP15. Okay? So, yun lang guys. I just want to remind for those who actually know the rules. Ayan, yung mga nakasubscribe sa atin, yung mga new subscribers din natin. So, we have an ongoing promotion or ongoing rewards for those who actually subscribe on my channel. So, just always like the videos, put a comment on the comment section below, and then put your One Piece character or just any other characters like Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh, Dragon Ball. Or just comment whatever you want in the comment section. Huwag lang yung medyo rude or medyo bastos. Ayan. And then, for a chance to win a booster box of your choice, ayan. If I hit a God pack, and if I hit a manga, you have a chance to get 3 booster boxes of your choice. Can be One Piece, can be a Pokemon, or it can be any cards that you want. Wag lang yung mga sobrang mahal like Ascended Heroes, OP13, ganyan. Okay? So, sasamahan kita pag nanalo tayo. Ay, pag nakakuha tayo. Pag nanalo tayo. Or, well, pag nanalo tayo, ganun na rin yun. Okay. So, I'm gonna open the 12 packs right now. Ganun din ulit. Bubuksan ko na lang sabay-sabay and then I'm gonna drop it. Ayan, diba? Drop it on my palm na lang. Open 4. Natin 4 and the last 4. Manga Enel, no? Or God pack lang. So, swerte. Nakakain nun. Okay, ito na siya. Leader card. May nakita na naman akong leader card. Okay, sana nandito na yung mga magic packs na hinahanap natin. Yes. Okay, so pinahan muna ulit natin. Let's see if it's promising or not. Ayan. Nakita nyo guys. Hindi kita no? Wala. Kaya mo na nga. Ayun. So, nakakuha tayo ng leader card pala kanina. Si Enel and si Lucy. Okay. Let's go, guys. Okay. Common. Common. Rare. Hindi pa. Ito na. Rare na. Ayun. So, common. 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 Rare. Hindi pa din. Oh, puro ano. Puro main characters yun. Rare. Okay. Uy, teka lang. Dawn card na foil. Ayan. Foil Dawn card. So, ayan. Ito ko doon. And then, rare card. So, another leader card. Ayan. And then, a rare card. Kobe. Okay, another rare card. Si Sanji. Di ba, pansinin nyo guys? So, puro mga nakukuha natin is part ng rare, pero part siya ng mga main characters. Parang mga ganun. And then, another leader card, si Brook. So, wala pa ako nito. Yun yung mga gusto kong kinukulik si Brook. Rare card. Ayan. Nasa dulo kaya. Ang swerte. Okay, so we have another SR. Ayan, si Brook. Ayan, ganda. Ayan guys, so book collector po ako guys. So if you have some book collections there na gusto mo i-trade sa akin, sa mga nakuha ko, just let me know. Ayan. We got 3 already. Hopefully there's more. Ayan. An S, a rare card. Rare card na rare card lang. Kala ko alt art eh. Rare na event card. Rare card na lang. Nako. Okay, so we have another SR. Si Sabo. Ayan, si Sabo. Nice one. So we got 4 already. I think yun na yung last eh. Si Sabo. Usually 4 lang talaga yan. Pag nakuha ka ng 4, it's either yung SR yung isa. Diba? So wala na to. Ayan. Diba? Matik yun per box. Yun lang talaga yung pwede mong makuha. 4 lang or 5. Swerte ka na pag naka 5. Okay. So yun lang guys. Let's try to open again another box. Pero siguro OP13 mamaya before ako mag-shift or ayan, mag-start ng shift ko. So ito na yung mga nakuha natin from the OP15 box. Ayan. Okay. And then Nami. Yung Nami nagdala dito eh. Diba? Okay. So, yun lang guys. Again, if you want to or interested in videos like this of opening One Piece trading card game packs, ayan, please do like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and then click also the notifications. Ayan. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Chris of the Bracket Card Channel. Bye-bye. See you later.